Hello, Mzansi Gossip Girl. Temba's girlfriend or boyfriend came out to clarify what they've been dating for over a year off social media, even before they were featured on Ngalele season 3 on TV. We saw the episode where this guy, Litemba, nebailo nyaka ntlo. Yeah, nebailo nyaka ntlo. So for Bridget. And then right now, because now people are confronting him, Raile in public spaces, and then he's like, you know what, I'm fed up with this, so I'm just gonna post more content of me and Temba now that we were shown on TV.
It's in understand to say that because you guys are not understanding. Guys, number one, I was at the mall today and khona umuntu othe ya wena home wrecker yesitabane. I don't care, guys, what you say about me and Temba. I honestly don't care. I don't care if you guys hate me for being involved in his relationship or whatever that you guys want to call it, no, the other girls. Yeah, but I'm not gonna leave him. I'm just here to address the fact that anytime soon. Mina naye sinje. And now that the cat is out of the bag, it's time for me to post him. And ngizomposta. Angithi niyazi, ngizomposta enye into hectic. If you follow me, you would know ukuthi I would post us holding hands and post izandla or inyawo zami nezakhe. And I've been doing content ngomuntu oshadile. Nina ni ignorant or angazi kwenzakalani, but I've been doing content ngomuntu oshadile and posting about my boy, a married man that I'm dating. So manje nilokhu busy, ni two-faced, and I don't care. I don't care, guys. Temba and I are in a relationship, and it is what it is. And if you guys don't like it, askisi. But ngiyamthanda, and then ayangithanda. That's what's important. Ah,